Using Chick-fil-A as a gift card on Doordash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Doordash application installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your Doordash account. Then provide the delivery address where you want your Chick-fil-A order to be delivered. Now, look for Chick-fil-A on the Doordash application. You can use the search function or browse to the available restaurants. Then select the items you want to order from Chick-fil-A and add them to your Doordash cart. Once you've added all the items you want, proceed to the checkout. In the payment section, look for an option to add a gift card or promo code. Now enter the Chick-fil-A gift card information, including the card number and PIN if applicable. Then, apply the gift card to your order. Doordash should verify the balance on your Chick-fil-A gift card and deduct the appropriate amount from your total. Review your order, including the applied gift card balance, and complete the order.